This big earrings on sari and keep it minimal with my Mangal Sutra. It's on you. If you want to add Matha Tikka or necklace, you can wear that also. Also, this golden little eye makeup will go with every outfit. You only have to change the lipstick and you are good to go. If you wanna know how to create this makeup look, then please keep watching. So I have just taken bath and I have already applied one layer of moisturizer, and I will be applying second layer of moisturizer now, because in winters hydration and removal of dead skin is the key for flawless base. So I'm taking this Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream and I will apply on my face. Then after moisturizer, I'm taking 2 pumps of this Smashbox primer. You can use any primer that you like. I am using this one because it has this cooling effect which suits my skin in winter, and also it hydrates my skin as well. So I love using this one. So my skin is all prepped for the makeup, and now I will be using this throat cream from MAC, and because it's Diwali, so we need that glow.
That's why I'm using this, otherwise you can skip using it.
Now to set my foundation, I'm using this Maybelline Poreless powder.
Before all of this creases, I am going to quickly set the entire face and the places where I applied concealer.
So here my base is set, and I have quickly combed my eyebrows with this pencil, and I will be filling my eyebrows with my favorite L'Oreal Pro Pomade.
As always, I like to brush my brow hair upward first so that I can clearly see it, and I will fill in with hair-like strokes. Then whatever product is left on brush, I will fill in entire eyebrow and keep it looking natural.
So for my eyes, I am taking this Nudes palette by Maybelline, and I am taking this black eyeshadow on a Q-tip like this.
Firstly, I am going to use the black eyeshadow to line my lash line and smoke it out. and then I will pull out a wing in my upper lash line. For the people who find difficulty in wing eyeliner, they can use this Q-tip for the easier application.
So after applying wing eyeliner, I'm going to take this warm nude color and I'm going to define my crease. With the pencil brush, I'm going to deposit the color and then I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush to blend it nicely.
I am going to softly blend the shade in the outer corner as well as crease. Using the same warm nude color, I am going to apply it under my waterline too.
So after defining my crease, I'm going to take this golden shade which is almost matching to my pearls on the sari, and I'm going to apply it on my eyelid. Instead of brush, I'm using my ring finger and I'm going to apply it on my eyelid. It will be more easier to pack up the color.
Oh my god, how beautiful it's looking. I can't stop staring it.
Quickly, I'm going to do another eye also. You can leave it here also, but it's Diwali night, so I'm going to apply glitter today and I'm taking this glitter by Faces.
To jazz this look, I am going to apply glitter only in the middle of my eyelids. Back of the camera, I applied kohl in my waterline by Sugar Cosmetics and I tightline my lash line too with the same. Here I am smoking the kajal with black eyeshadow in the inner corner and outer corner of my waterline, and then I am going to apply glitter in the middle. Quickly I am going to finish up with some mascara and I am using Benefit's Bad Girl Mascara. I love using this one because it separates my lashes and give me an illusion of fake eyelashes too. Here I am removing the fallout of the glitter. To give my face some extra dimension, I am going to use Smashbox foundation stick. So this is going to be my cream contour. It's very easy to apply and it's very easy to blend also. I came back to it after a very long time and I am pretty much loving it.
Now I'm going to take this peach blush and I'm going to apply on apples of my cheeks.
Blush will quickly add on the color on my face and my face will look more fresh then.
And then I'm going to take my favorite Wet n Wild highlighter.
I will highlight all the high places on my face. I can't stop using this highlighter. It gives me such a warm shell look. Also, I will use the same highlighter to highlight my inner corners and my brow bones to bring in some light.
Now I'm going to apply this liquid lipstick by Sugar and the shade is Cocoa Amo.
This lipstick is perfect for the new normal as it's transferable proof. You can wear it even under your mask. I felt like I needed a little bit of gloss for the Diwali night, so I'm using Revlon gloss, and yeah, that's complete my look.
I really hope that you liked the video, and if you do, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your family and friends. Meet you in my next one. Till then, bye bye.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
This is a wrinkle pant, so
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and